I have an absolute monster in front of me today. A monster from MSI that will do all the gaming. Perfect for playing the latest Overwatch game. I'm talking about Overwatch 2. 2,000 players ahead of you. Sick. It has a Cherry MX mechanical keyboard. I can't wait to tickle those keys. You can get this in a number of different configurations. You can spend a boatload on this thing if you get crazy with your configuration. They've also given us a full-on backpack with the dragon on it. Woo. The dragon is multicolored. Nice big MSI clip here. And a huge opening. Couple of other sleeves in there. Nobody's mad about that. The color is black, 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 black. That's quadruple black, ladies and gentlemen. 17.3-inch UHD anti-glare IPS, 120 hertz, Core i9-12900HX processor, RTX 3080 Ti, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of SSD storage, 64 gigabytes of DDR5 memory. I mean, it's got everything that you want. Shout out to MSI. Ridiculous specification. Woo! 17.3. You gotta love the existence of 17-inch laptops for gaming. What a sweet spot. A lot more real estate. What's in this little package? Oh, some paperwork. This monster power brick, 329.6 watt. Let's call it 330 watt power brick. What? Did we just get ourselves a lucky keychain? Lovely. I think Will likes these little collectibles. See, Will, you like these guys, right? You like those little type guys? It's almost like the other stuff you're into with all the outfits that you're wearing, all that stuff.
Are you calling him a furry?
No. I'm just talking about his style, that's all. And they also provide a dual drive, Type C, Type A, 128 GB. This is useful. This is a nice, useful thing to have. Do you want the little dragon keychain or do you want the spinny 128 GB drive? You can only take one. He takes the dragon, ladies and gentlemen. That's fine with me. I'll take the drive. Oh, satisfaction guaranteed. Where the lowest price is the law every day.
What's that from?
Never mind. Oh, last thing in the package is a gaming mouse.
Oh.
Mo! You're like, where do I find a gaming mouse for this gaming laptop? I'm like, it's in the package. They have a gaming mouse in the package. Of course, a lot of people have their own preferences when it comes to gaming mice, but many agree that this new lightweight honeycomb design, many agree this is the superior option. We have a braided style cable. Like that sound? All right, now it's time for the main attraction. Woo! There we go. I think the logo here is gonna be RGB. How about the stealth fighter type of vibe here? Holy cow. Versatility of ports here and the ability to connect pretty much anything. USB-A, Thunderbolt, DisplayPort, HDMI full size, Ethernet jack for wired internet, power, USB-A, USB-A, SD card slot, headset, battery indicator. Whoa. Well, I don't know if we've had a 4K 120 hertz display on here before. Maybe one time. This one with the anti-glare, anti-reflective display. A relatively slim bezel, at least on the top and the sides. Cherry MX key switches on a laptop. And they've given you the Cherry MX branding there. So if anybody doubts you, you just point at that. Oh, baby. This thing is so solid, it's ridiculous. Well, that's exactly what Cherry MX switches should sound like. It's so nice to type on. This has got to be one of the most satisfying keyboards I've ever experienced on a laptop. This is just over 6 pounds. Like, it's still a laptop. It goes in the backpack, and yet you have a keyboard that really mimics like a dedicated mechanical keyboard. It mimics it. You can, are you picking that up? That almost looks sped up. Yeah. It's not sped up. That's real time. Yeah, come tickle it a little bit.
I always check the space bar and the sides of it to see if it
wobbles.
Like,
yeah.
Some sort of tilting. It's pretty solid. Pretty good.
Can you do a brown fox?
Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Yeah, it's nice.
For this spec sheet, it actually is quite impressive that the entire package comes in at 23 millimeters. It's also going to showcase some pretty cool RGB lighting on the rear once we get it booted up. You have a fingerprint scanner over here in this location as well. Your power switch is right in the keyboard section. You also have some dedicated keys for commonly used functions, multimedia, volume, and so forth. You can see the RGB lighting up immediately across the deck. This, of course, configurable. You can also see that the cherry portion is also RGB capable, and I presume the rear logo is the same, which it is, flashing between red, green, blue, and so forth. Ooh, plenty of pixels here. You just see as I move that up and down, you can get some glare, but it's so subdued, you're gonna be less concerned about those reflections because of the anti-glare display. We have something on here called MSI Center, which is gonna let us make some configuration tweaks and also do some hardware monitoring. You can also check out your fan speed, RAM, available space on the SSD, your power plan, which is currently in its balanced state, gaming mode. This is gonna provide auto tuning function for the game you're playing with the best possible visual and audio lighting setting, bringing you a superior gaming experience. You can have this apply to whichever games you have installed. You can add games to this section and enable your game mode. Game sync, look at this. For the lighting, a variety of special sequences. We can do game sync, ambient link for other lights that we have in the space. So in here, we are gonna have our RGB settings for per key on the RGB keyboard, as you can see here. We're also gonna have our Mystic light on the rear of the device, this tiny little section here, and then of course the MSI Dragon at the very top, color shift, multicolor breathe. The cool thing here is the location of that RGB, because it's gonna kind of light up your environment, your tabletop, whatever happens to be behind your desk. Ah, yes. This is where we're gonna set up our own custom scenario. I can select for extreme performance, balanced performance, silent performance, or super battery for battery savings. Because this is a very high-powered gaming PC with extreme performance on, we are gonna hear some fans. However, when you're into one of those gaming sessions and you want that advanced performance, you're probably gonna have a headset on anyways and you won't hear it. Ooh, this is gonna actually allow us to overclock our GPU, select our fan speed. By default, it goes into cooler boost mode, which is why you're hearing these fans right now. You don't have headphones on, I'm sure it's very loud. So this is gonna let us have the most extreme performance, highest frame rates, highest settings. Now I'm gonna switch over to silent. Another reason you might want to use extreme performance is for creative work inside of video editing applications, graphics applications, and so forth. 4K, legit, 4K, double 4K.
Premium subscriber gets to feel a little bit more connected with the content creators they watch.
Good looking image. That's glare. That's off the ceiling, off the lights. That's what glare looks like on this anti-glare. It's barely bothering you. There's a little bit of richness to the sound as well. 2 times speakers and then 2 times 2-watt woofers. Bottom line, it's a little bit more low end than what you're used to, but it is nice in a pinch to have some decent speakers that you can work with as well. All right, let's load up a game. Look at that. Okay, high power computing starts. Look at that. Extreme performance kicks in. 2,000 players ahead of you. Wow. 2,000 players ahead of you. Sick.
Did you say that will go fast?
Are you joking right now? Like, I'm in this stage. Oh, never mind. Good Lord.
I don't understand. Charge.
Did we actually do something there?
You can't beat me. Can't save me every time. You picked a wrong enemy.
Let the kitsune guide you.
Guess I didn't need that. Oh, I was being dumb too. Ah, he got too aggressive. He had better
still standing.
close range. Haha! Wow, I distributed that damage too much. I should have just focused on one guy. Did it. By the way, I should mention, listen to it. Listen to the laptop. You hear that? Nothing. Now, I realize this might not be the most graphics intensive game, but that's, I mean, we got plenty of frames there, even with the quiet laptop. So that's pretty impressive as far as I'm concerned.
Personal?
Yeah, are you kidding me? That this dude's all about spray. Helix rocket accuracy 45. Let's see, and I get much more careful with my Helix rockets. So there you have it. What a time to be alive, 2022. Insane gaming package in something that's this thin, just over 6 pounds. Actually fits into a backpack. Throw whatever title you want at it. Beautiful 4K anti-glare display, 120 hertz, RTX 3080 Ti, a few different configurations to choose from, and I believe there's a deal right now, so go ahead and check the description. You can save a few bucks. There you have it. It's the brand new MSI Titan GT77.